What's going on, everybody? I'm sorry for the wind noise. It's been literally raining here the last 2 weeks. I've been trying to make some videos, but weather's not been cooperating. I hope it's not picking up too much wind noise here. I do have a new iPhone. We're filming with the iPhone 11 Pro Max, so let me know how that looks. I think it does great stabilization, great overall video, so I'm happy with that. I don't think I've made a video yet. Someone hit my front bumper about Labor Day. I was heading up, grabbed the camper. I was on my way to rent the camper to go to a mud bog, and I got smacked. Basically, I was in the left of two left turn lanes. The other guy was in the other turn lane, and he came into my lane mid-turn with a utility trailer, and the front of his aluminum fender clipped the back of my front bumper. I will show some pictures now of the damage. So there you go. Hopefully the pictures do some justice. I wasn't able to get any video, like I said, because the weather's been so crappy. It is fixed now, thank goodness. I felt like a total fool driving around with it all smashed up, because, you know, people are just going to assume that I'm a bad driver when it wasn't even my fault. Kind of show a little overview of what happened here quick. Alright guys, this is where it happened. I was in this exact lane, about the same position. As I said, the gentleman was in a 2011 Ram, pulling about a 5-6 foot wide by 8-10 foot long aluminum, like, four-wheeler trailer. He was in the lane next to us. Both of them are left turn lanes, and right about mid-turn he just swung it too tight, and the front of his fender clipped the back of my front bumper. So I laid on the horn and tried to slow down, but I couldn't move over anymore without hitting oncoming car. If I tried to move over any further, I would have turned into oncoming traffic or perpendicular traffic, and or went over the median and a sign. And that's basically all there is to it. Very simple. The insurance company, the guy that hit me, they accepted fault. Originally they sent me a check for $650. I knew that was not going to be enough. They actually did not replace this. They were able to just sand it down, repaint it, but I did get a new bumper. So if anyone's wondering, I just brought mine to Abra Auto Body. I know there's probably better shops or whatever. It was just convenient for me, and I mean, I'm sorry for the rain spots. I washed this thing twice today already, and I forgot my microfiber, so, you know, it's not perfect, but black truck, it's like a mirror. Don't get a black truck, get a white one. Way easier to keep clean, believe it or not. Unless you live on like a really muddy road or something, but about $1,800, $1,850 for the bumper, painted, labor, I think a couple of brackets behind the bumper, and then to repaint this piece. So if anything happened to your front bumper, you're looking at about $2 grand, give or take. Duratrax. 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 Accident damage.
The lonely walnut. I mean, the lonely acorn.
Waiting for downfall. Fucking frog gonna get pulled over. tow mirrors up. Dead. Junk. Sounds like your starter's junk to me.
That just started.
Typical. Should have got a Dodge.
Okay, where's my hammer? Like a sec, bud.
I might have to hit it while you're cranking. Come on, you jalopy. Now that I'm deaf. Almost takes out the camper. Just going for a stroll. Probably. Oh, gas muddy. Ugh. Get out of there. Ugh. Get back! I did find one annoying thing from the body shop, which is that there's like an 1/8 inch gap here. It's clearly not seated. So I went to try to like push it in thinking it was held in with clips, but there's about 10 nuts on the backside that you have to manually tighten. So clearly they just weren't pushing in on it when they tightened it. Not the biggest deal in the world, but if I worked auto body and that crap was going on, I sure as hell wouldn't let it go out the door like that. Much better. The old motto lives on. You want it done right, you got to do it yourself. Yet another thing they messed up. Got to do it myself if I want it done right. There's a little like finger of plastic that goes like this and then hooks down to clip onto the bumper. And they bent it too far. Basically weakened it to the point it's almost broken and now it doesn't grab. So that's sweet. One more thing I'm excited about is I got rid of that stupid one hail dent that was bothering me right here, that maybe some of you guys might have seen from one of my previous videos. We had a decent hailstorm and there was just one right here smack dab. I see it every day when I'm driving. It bothered me. I paid 200 bucks out of pocket. I don't know if that's good or bad, for paintless dent removal while it was getting the bumper fixed. Might as well, right? So that will wrap up this video. Again, I'm sorry if the wind sucks. I'm doing my best to cut the speakers. It's just, this is the nicest it's been in 2 or 3 weeks. So I've been really limited. So just wanted to show, get out of here, Asian Beetle. Can't have nothing nice. Just wanted to kind of go over the damages and about how much it cost and kind of show, you know, I don't do auto body. I'm a mechanic. So I mean, some of you guys might be like, oh, that paint job looks like crap. I don't know. To me, it looks like it matches pretty well. Sorry for the rambling. I am done. Like this video if it helped you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And there we have it. Round.